In the hustle and bustle of our fast-paced lives, we're often focused on reaching our destinations as quickly as possible. But what we overlook is the risk of following too closely. Many of us don't even realize we're tailgating until it's too late. Tailgating is the leading driving error responsible for collision casualties in the US and Canada. Are you a failgatter? That's what we call drivers who follow too closely. If you're inside this zone, you are failgating. To avoid a failgating zone, ease up and follow the 3-second rule. Pick a landmark. Wait until the back of the car in front of you passes it. Then count 1001, 1002, 1003. If you pass the landmark in less than 3 seconds, you are failgating. Nothing good comes from following too closely. Remember, choose a landmark, count 3 seconds, and adjust your distance from the car ahead. Let's build safer driving habits together.